Hi everyone, Dave Larson with West USA Realty. I am here in front of a new listing that I have in the Desert Foothills neighborhood. This is just north of the 202 and off of Cave Creek, and it has really got an exceptional backyard, so let me take you there. Here we are in the backyard of 2207 East Paraiso, and I just wanted to show this to you because it's just gorgeous. You've got fantastic mountain view off in the just a few houses away. Artificial turf, so it's super easy to take care of this backyard. There is, I'm going to turn this way, a really nice shade gazebo with a fire pit. And then additionally, we've got a length of the home covered patio. So just has so much to offer. I'm going to go ahead and take you inside now so you can see the rest, but this one has really got a fantastic backyard. I'm going to let the kitchen speak for itself. Gorgeous granite countertops, island kitchen, updated stainless appliances including microwave. And I should mention too that the appliances all stay, the refrigerator and the washer dryer. We'll take a look at the washer dryer in a minute. Nice breakfast nook area right here, open to the kitchen, and then a family room. Super high vaults give it a very spacious feeling. And then there is a formal living area as well, but it's so open to the rest of it, it just feels great. I want to show you one more thing back here before we move on. Absolutely stunning utility room pantry. So here's the front-loading washer dryer that are included. And then here is the pantry. I mean, this is just fantastic. You just don't see this in a 1,600 square foot home too often. Going through the living area, so this is your formal entry. This is actually set up as a den right now, but I have seen this floor plan with this as the third bedroom. It's basically usually a wall here. This becomes a closet area, and then a door over there off of the hallway. So if you needed a third bedroom, super easy to have it done on this one. Let's go take a look at our master. Very spacious. Oh, and I should point out too, it's got what everybody's looking for, the wood tile or wood plank tile flooring just throughout the house. Gorgeous. That's all I can say. Just really pretty. Redone master bath with the granite counters, the high counter or vanity, excuse me. Updated mirror fixtures, and then separate tub and shower. Plus the shower, I'm going to kind of do a slow turn up and down in this. Just beautifully redone. And again, I know my camera doesn't do it justice, but nice sized walk-in closet. All right, let's go see our other 2 bedrooms and bath. Again, this bathroom has the granite countertop and updated fixtures. Presents very nicely. Love this front bedroom too, with plantation shutters and more of the wood plank tile. And then down the hallway with the wood plank tile too. Anyway, that's it in a nutshell. If you have any interest in this home or any questions, just call me at 602-430-5755. Thanks for your time.